welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am showing you this look right here using the Dream Street palette. I'm absolutely obsessed with how this makeup look turned out. I had some difficulties recording it, of course, because I always do, but overall it turned out pretty nice. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and if you would like to see how I achieve this makeup look, then be sure to just keep on watching. So we are going to be going in with the Dream Street palette today, and I'm going to create a look. I'm kind of basing this look off of Desi Perkins' look that she did a while back. I've already set and primed my lid. So the first shade that I'm going to be going in with today is going to be this shade right here in Stardust. I'm going to be going in with my Morphe E27, and I'm going to just buff this all in the crease. I'm going to be doing a half cut crease today, so I need to make the shadows go higher than normal. After you have that all blended into the crease, we're going to be going in with this shade right here, Water Bear, and we're going to put this shade right into the crease, right over that color that we just laid down. I'm going to be going in with my M513 brush. This color though, I'm putting more directly right into my crease rather than dispersing it all over the place, keeping it kind of directly into the crease. I played around with this palette yesterday and I absolutely loved the way these colors look on the lid. They're so pigmented, they're true to color. We have got a crease going on right now. After you have laid both of those shadows down, just take like a clean brush and try to blend those two shadows together a little bit more. Now I'm going to take this shade right here, this pink shade in the color Sweet Dreams, and I'm going to apply most of this on the outer corner, dragging it into the crease a little bit. I'm not really sure what I'm doing with this look. I'm winging it. So packing it on the outer corner and dragging it in to the crease a bit. So that is the pink shade. I'm going to be going back in with my Morphe 513, and I'm going to go back in with the Water Bear shade because we lost some of it when we were adding that pink, and I'm going to apply this in my crease again. Whoa, looks like a beautiful sunset. I really am enjoying how it's turning out so far. So now I'm going to go in with this shade right here. This darker shade in Moony, and I'm going to deepen out like the V, just the V. I'm gonna go in with this Luxie 213 brush, this little mini. It's like a flat shader brush kind of, and go in with this shade. I'm scared, guys. Be very light-handed with this shade because you don't want to ruin this. I just want to deepen out the V just a little bit. So I'm just gonna like put it right here where my crease is. I might literally make a V shape. Kind of like dragging it on my lash line where the crease is. Make a V to the lash. That's what I'm doing. We're just gonna leave the eyes like that. We're gonna go back in with that pink shade, Sweet Dreams, and add just a little bit more because that color kind of went over it, and I'm just gonna add this more in the outer corner, but not like the V that we were just in. And I'm just gonna go in with a clean blending brush, and I'm gonna blend all those shades together real quick. Going back in with Water Bear and gonna blend again, just to prevent any harsh lines. That's what you gotta do, guys. Just keep on blending. So those are the lids. Now we need to cut it. I'm going to be going in with my Shape Tape in the color Light Neutral and cut to my lid with this shade. I'm going to be going in with my new Colourpop black concealer brush and use that to cut this crease of mine. So you know the drill. Cut the crease, starting in the inner corner today. Boys, so hard to cut your crease, man. You gotta be so precise. Don't even breathe when you do it, because if you just breathe the wrong way, you could ruin everything, you know? All right, lids are cut. I'm not sure what shade I want to put on top of them, on top of it. I'm thinking either one of these shades or this one. For right now, I'm gonna go in with this shade. I might add some. I'm going to add just a little bit of something. I'm gonna mix some of this magical shade right here and mix that with Spark to give it kind of like a little rose gold hint, since we got a lot of pink going on here. Just mix that with that one. Alright, that is the lid shade. Now I need to blend it a little bit to make it not look so harsh. So I'm going to be going in with the brushes that I use for each of the colors. I'm going to start with my M513 that I went in with Water Bear without any extra product, and I'm just going to run this slightly over this crease a little bit, just to make it not extremely harsh, but harsh, you know? If that makes any sense. Now I'm gonna go in with my M433 brush that I went in with Sweet Dreams with no additional product, and I'm just going to blend these edges right here. Because we have rose gold going on and I haven't really got to use this Stila liquid eyeshadow, I'm going to pop this on the lid over the shade. This is in the shade Rose Gold Retro. So I'm just gonna pop some of this on to the lid. Give it some more, you know? I'm gonna clean up my eyeballs. Now I'm gonna go apply falsies off camera. So I will be right back to finish off this look. Well guys, you would never believe how long it just took me to apply these falsies. I'm not even gonna tell you, but we are going to move along now. I'm gonna go in with my H2O JCat primer and put those over my blemishes because I need some hydration in them and I don't want them to look dry, especially this one down here. I have a volcano in the middle of my brow right here and it's hurting so bad. I'm going to be using my Dr. Brandt Primer because I'm obsessed with this, how it fills my pores. Sorry guys that I use same products all the time, but I know what works for me and this is it. And then spritz my Smashbox Primer Water everywhere else. I've been recently wearing this Fit Me foundation, the Dewy and Smooth version, because it looks so nice on my skin. Oh, just poured a crap ton onto hand. But first I am going to be buffing some of it onto the face with a e.l.f. face brush, and then I'm going to use my beauty blender to make it all even. This is like my favorite face brush. I usually don't like to apply foundation with brushes, but this brush, I love it. So now I'm going to go in with my beauty blender with some of the remaining product and press all of it in. So I'm going to go do my brows off camera so I can let this foundation sink in just a little bit more. Brows on. I would like to mention real quick that I have been testing out this Maybelline Total Temptation eyebrow pencil, and so far so good. I do like it. It's super pigmented, so you gotta be careful. You kind of have to have a light hand with it. I like how small the spoolie is. It blends all the product out. I don't know if it's my favorite, but I definitely do like it. So now we're gonna move on to concealer. I want the full beat down today, so I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape, light medium, and add these directly underneath my eye to to help with those dark circles. But I'm also going to go in with the No Filter Concealer by Colourpop in the shade Light to help brighten up the under eye. Even though this oxidizes, it's still a good shade for me. And I'm gonna blend that all out with my beauty blender. Still shook on how quick this concealer oxidizes. I mean, look, those are almost the exact same shade, and when I first applied it, it looked nothing like that. I'm gonna be setting the under eye with my RCMA No Color Translucent Powder. So now that the face is nice and set, I am going to move on to the lower lash line. So I'm going to go in first with the first shade, which was Stardust, and I'm just going to buff that all underneath the lower lash line. I'm going to use the same brush and dip into the shade Water Bear. Now I'm going to be going in with more of a precise brush, such as the Morphe E36. I'm going to pick up that Sweet Dream shade, the pink one, and I'm going to buff that underneath the lower lash line, but keeping this on the outer corner. I'm just mimicking what I did on top. Last but not least, I'm going to take even a smaller brush, a little finer brush, and I'm going to take up that dark shade Moony and put this right against my lower lash line, but only on the outer V. And to finish up the eyes, I'm going to highlight my brow bone using this shade right here, which is Elfish. And that, my friends, are the eyeballs. I'm going to be going in with my Hoola bronzer today. I haven't used this bad boy in a long time. I'm going to go in with this Catrice Contour Kit. I'm going to go in with Jaclyn Hill's highlighting palette, and I'm going to be using Champagne Pop since it's a rose gold, but I'm not going to use her technique today. Beautiful and glowing, my favorite. I'm gonna go in with Coralista from this Benefit Chicathon palette with my little trusty Lash brush. And now to set this face, I'm gonna use my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I'm gonna do a little monochromatic look today, and I'm gonna put on this Tarte lip paint in the color Namaste. But first I'm going to line my lips real quick with just a nude lip liner. Now I'm going to apply the Namaste lip paint from Tarte and top that off. I don't know if you guys have ever tried out these lip paints before, but they're so comfortable, so lightweight, and I'm pretty obsessed with the formula. This is the completed makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed the way it turned out. I really enjoyed how it turned out. I absolutely love the Colourpop palette. I'm so glad that I decided to end up buying it because you can create so many different looks with this palette. But I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video.